Welcome back to this week's video. So this week I'm not doing much. We're still on a lockdown apparently, and what? I printed our quarantine. Let me get it. Welcome back to this week's video. So I don't have DIY supplies, so I can really feel the quarantine. But anyways, so if you've been watching my videos, you know that I have this collage wall behind me. So it turned out that I still have posters left from when I printed the ones that I had. And because I'm staying at home a lot now, so I'm noticing things like I was getting bored and tired of that collage wall that I had. So I decided to take the posters that I had and just change the whole situation behind my bed. Just watch and see what I created this time, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Tell your friends to tell their friends that we're doing DIYs on the cheap side. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and let's all make a mess. Oh, and also before I forget, so when I was busy doing this whole situation, there was a basket that I had bought marketplace. So I decided to create a DIY that I saw on Pinterest, but I just added some twist to it to make it my own. So I also added it behind the wall situation that I'm trying to fix. And hopefully when this whole quarantine thing is done, I'll be able to go and buy paint, because I'm drowning slowly between my walls.
So this is the basket that I bought at Facebook Marketplace. So I went off just by cutting off the handles, as I won't be needing them for this project, but I kept them because I might use them for another DIY. But for this one I just didn't need these handles. So I decided to just cut them off. And this saw that I'm using, I bought at ShopRite. It was around 20 rands, which is very affordable in my opinion. This is one of the DIYs that I had, but I needed this wool or yarn, if you can call it, but I only needed the black. So I actually destroyed a DIY that I did previously just to get the wool strings for my basket, and I'll be mixing these with another wool that I have, but I'm not feeling this DIY anymore because it has the red, and for some reason I'm just unhappy with the red. So I collected the black parts that I wanted. So what you're gonna need to do is just wrap your wool around it. Just go in between the gaps of your basket. You don't have to go all around it. So this is how the basket turned out. I'm in love with this. I'm in love. I just wish I had more baskets to create such projects.
So I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Well, this week, maybe I might post even this week, because I mean everyone is at home and we're doing nothing basically. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe, like and share.